Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have instant savings. Instant savings! Conveniently after the parking lot sale. Conveniently no extended parking lot sale. If you find this useful or helpful, hopefully you do, please consider liking and subscribing and hyping. Let's get to 24,000 subscribers. The best community out there. And let's look into the instant savings. So they delayed it on purpose so that it wouldn't overlap with the parking lot sale. Not to say that anything would have overlapped, but we'll go through it. This is going now, today, through April 9th. So that looks like it could overlap with the spring parking lot sale. But as we get closer, we'll start reviewing. But let's go into it. Instant savings. Sure, there'll be some sales going on in between now and through the 9th. Starting with, for the moving bros, for the blanket bros, Franklin 72-inch by 80-inch moving blanket, $6.99, almost nice, 22% off, normally $9. So that's a good discount for instant savings. And just as a general reminder, instant savings for everybody who is not a close follower of the HARBROs or is not a HARBRO. Instant savings, Harbor Freight will do these no coupon needed. Instant savings means low prices on popular items with no coupons required. Shop these deals in-store or online. So they're essentially just new lower prices that can, depending 9 out of 10 stores, that can stack with certain percentages off. Doesn't combine with ITC or super coupons. But when they do a percentage off a certain item, like with the Quinn 3/8 set we just saw during the parking lot sale, you can stack. So it's good to study these instant savings and have them on our mind. Anyways, let's keep going. Vulcan E71 TGS flux core welding wire 2-pound roll. Your choice of 0.030 inches or 0.035 inches, $22, 12% off. Oh, and then just one last point I was going to make. These percentages off can vary here in instant savings. We love to see anything that's 15% and above because that means we'll have a big discount already for potential future stacking. So we're not as aggressive on our expectations for percentages off in instant savings. So we continue. Pittsburgh 2-ton compact trolley jack, $40, only $50. 20% off is a great discount. Armstrong 37-inch to 80-inch full motion TV wall mount, $35, normally $40, 12% off. You have Hallmaster, solid rubber wheel chock, 20% off, normally $7.50. That's a great price in and of itself. So you could pick this up as is. Unlikely for there to be some Hallmaster accessories going on sale or discounted, but solid discount already. Pittsburgh 3/8 and 1/2 drive hex socket set 9-piece, $13.49, also 20% off, normally $17. Available in SAE or metric. We keep going. Oh, for the tarp bros, 10-foot by 12-foot silver and black extreme duty weather resistant 12 mil tarp, $19, normally $20. So you save a whole dollar, 5% off. So this is not the greatest discount, but it's just a new lower price, lowered by $1. Always the possibility that there'll be a tarp sale. They do have tarp sales. I think 40 to 50% off a few times throughout the year. We keep going. Hardy latex dipped work gloves, available medium, large, extra large, $1.49, normally $2, 25% off. We have Vanguard 100-foot by 12 and 3 gauge outdoor extension cord at $60, normally $73, 17% off. Another tarp for the tarp bros. 11-foot by 11-foot 4-inch by 15-foot 6-inch heavy duty reflective all-purpose weather resistant 9 mil tarp, down to $17, normally $20, 15% off. Then we have the Brake Clean 14-ounce non-chlorinated brake parts cleaner at $4.99, normally $7.49, 33% off. Again, good deal on its own, standalone good deal. Then we have Pittsburgh 1/2 drive impact socket set, 13-piece. Your choice of SAE or metric at $17, only $20, 15% off. And look at this. We have an Icon Alert. Icon Alert 2100 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic compact floodlight, $45, normally $55, 18% off compared to Snap-on. That's good to see. A lot of possibilities here. Warrior titanium hex shank drill bit set, 13 piece at $5. Normally $7, 28% off. And with the Grants Ultra Plush Edgeless Microfiber Towels 12 pack, huge discount here. $5 for the 12 pack, normally $10, 50% off. This is a must have. At one point when you go into Harbor Freight, from now to between now and the 9th of April, with or without an extra discount, $4.99 for a 12 pack, 50% off is a great deal. This is the exact sale that was a few months ago. The 50% off all grants products. Great discount here. We have Jupiter, the 5,000 watt continuous 10,000 watt peak modified sine wave power inverter, $329.99, $20 off, normally $350. We have the 12 ounce Smart Straw lubricant, $10, normally $11, 9% off. WD-40 is another way to say it for Smart Straw lubricant. I wonder why that is. WD-40. Next, Pittsburgh. Lifetime warranty, the 3/8-inch drive SAE and metric high vis socket set, 21 piece, $20, normally $25, 20% off. Ooh, some nice ones here. We have Ranger full coverage disposable protective suit, $8, available in extra large and double XL, normally $11, 27% off. And then one of our favorite Harbor Freight 55-pound 19-gallon double XL bag down to 69 cents. Nice. 30% off, normally 99 cents. And this is perfect compared to Walmart. This is perfect if you're going in. Might as well get a bag to put all your goodies in. It's worth it at $1. Even better at 69 cents for multiple reasons. Next, pressure washer stubby spray gun at $22, normally $27, 18% off. We have another wheel chalk from Hallmaster, the wheel chalk with eye bolt, so it doesn't get away on you. $12, normally $14, 14% off. Western safety earmuffs, $2.99, normally $4, 25% off. Pittsburgh 2 1/4 inch 10-pound suction cup lifter, $3.79, normally $4, 5% off is 4,000 Rotkin. That is terrible. That's a Hiroshima bomb every 2 hours for the last 24 hours. You get it. That's terrible. Next, Pittsburgh tongue and groove joint plier set, 4-piece, $12, normally $17, 29% off. Another great discount that we're seeing here. Pittsburgh again, the ball end hex key set, 13-piece, your choice of SAE or metric, $6, normally $7, 14% off. The Hallmaster E-Track tie down anchor for $5, normally $7, 28% off. We have our Jupiter Pure 2,000 watt continuous 4,000 watt peak pure sine wave power inverter at $260, only $20 off, normally $280. The Hallmaster 5/8-inch by 3-inch hitch pin with clip at $3, normally $5, 40% off. Bowers 5-inch hook and loop universal pattern sanding discs, 50 pack, available in 40, 60, 80, 220 grit, $15, normally $20, 25% off compared to Diablo. Then we have Central Pneumatic pistol grip tire inflator with dial gauge at $9, normally $12, 25% off. Our Merlin 3/8-inch by 25-foot rubber air hose, 1/4-inch MPT fittings at $12, normally $15, 20% off compared to DeWalt. Hallmaster again, the 400-pound capacity 1-inch by 6-foot cam buckle tie downs 4-pack at $7, normally $10, 30% off. Another one of our favorites, the 5-gallon bucket lid at $2, normally $3, 33% off. Love to see that. We have Jupiter's 6-foot number 2 AWG inverter cable set at $35, normally $40, 12% off. Central Pneumatic 20-ounce HVLP gravity feed spray gun, 1.4 millimeter nozzle at $15, only $25, 40% off. What a discount there, 40% off compared to Cobalt. And we have the Ranger hard terrain gel knee pads at $10, and only $16, 37% off. That's a great deal. Also makes a great gift for the loved ones in the hard terrain compared to No Cry, which is what I want to hear. Bauer multi-material oscillating multi-tool blade set, 4-piece, $12, normally $17, 29% off. Merlin's pistol grip blowgun for $4, normally $5, 20% off. We have McGraw, the half-inch composite air impact wrench at $40, normally $60, 33% off. Some great discounts we're seeing here in the instant savings. Next, Central Machinery 17-inch, the mini magnetic sweeper, $10, normally $14, 28% off is great. The half-gallon multi-purpose sprayer at $4, normally $5, 20% off. Now, Pittsburgh's oil pan with spout at $6, normally $8.49, 29% off. More 11-ounce specialist rust release penetrant spray, whatever that is, $8, normally $9, 11% off. Oh yes, it's a type of WD-40. Specialist penetrant, fast acting. Then we have a Hercules Alert, 4-amp quarter-inch die grinder at $65, 18% off, normally $80. With a Warrior 5 TPI reciprocating saw pruning blades, a 5-pack at $7, normally $9, 22% off. At Voyager's 19-inch toolbox with top tray at $11, normally $13, 15% off. Voyager 12-inch tool tote with 18 pockets at $10, normally $12, 16% off. Tools sold separately. The cotton swab assortment, 175 piece at $5, normally $6, 16% off. Pittsburgh's lifetime warranty 24-inch I-beam level at $6, normally $8, 25% off is super solid. And we have Pittsburgh's, again, lifetime warranty 8-inch needle nose pliers at $3, normally $4, 25% off. Storehouse in the house, 24 compartment large storage container, $4, normally $5, 20% off. More Storehouse, the 4-inch stacking tilt bin at $2, normally $3, 33% off. And I missed myself. We have Drill Master 2.4 amp trim router at $20, normally $30, 33% off. Go Drill Masters. Great discount. Chicago Electric lead-free rosin core solder. Bunch of weird words here. Words that don't read as they should sound. Anyways, $3, normally $4.29, 30% off. Great deal. Hercules Alert 4.5-inch by 1/16 inch by 7/8 inch type 2742 metal cutoff wheels, a 10-pack for $8, normally $10, 20% off. Low vibration and fast cutting. Then we have the 17-inch curved and straight pressure washer extension wands, $15, normally $18, 16% off. Some anti-fatigue roll mats at $9, normally $11, 18% off. A HARBRO favorite, the Pittsburgh 10-inch adjustable demolition pry bar wrench, $15, normally $20, 25% off. Maddox 5-quart dispenser with lid at $10, normally $13, 23% off. The Pittsburgh 4-inch ratcheting bar clamp spreader, we know what to use this for, $2, normally $2.29, save a whole 30 cents, 13% off. That's 3.6 Rotkin. Pittsburgh's 4.5-inch by 40-pound, well, 4.5-inch 40-pound suction cup lifter, $3, normally $4.49, 33% off. Bunker Hill Security combination cable bike lock at $4, 20% off, normally $5. Pencil tire gauge from Pittsburgh for $1, 23% off, normally $1.29. The 24-inch 2-in-1 magnetic pickup tool for $2.49, normally $6, 58% off from Chicago Electric. What a deal compared to Hyper Tough. And the Fortress 2-gallon 135 PSI ultra quiet oil-free hand carry job site air compressor, $30 off. Normally $200 down to $170. That's 15% off already. So hopefully we have some Fortress deals coming compared to Makita. And then last but not least, the Hallmaster Camo Diamond Braid Rope, 3/8 inch by 75 foot with 300-pound capacity, $4.39. Normally $6, 26% off. And for instant savings, I think we have some incredible deals here and things to look forward to, potential stacking discounts. Would love to see that Fortress get down even lower than $169.99. 58% off. This pickup tool is already great. Suction cups are fun to play with. Drill Master, I salute you. WD-40s, decent discount. Hopefully between now and then they'll do a 30% off of $20 and under. But let me know what the HARBROs think. The lid's on sale if you have buckets without lids. More suction cups. The 69-cent bag is a must pick up. 50% off towels. Icon alert, 18% off. The icon light. Anyways, let me know what the HARBROs think. And I'll leave it at that. Happy harbor freighting. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.